Something big is happening at Rivian. Bigger than a factory shutdown, bigger than a patent leak, bigger than another shiny product tease. It feels like the quiet before a seismic shift. One of those moments in a company's history where everything tightens, everything accelerates, and the next chapter begins faster than anyone expected. Because this week, scattered across announcements, filings, teasers, and groundbreakings, Rivian has revealed more about its future, its real long-term future, than they have in months. And if you read between the lines, the message is clear. The company is no longer just preparing for growth. It is preparing for scale, global reach, and a new era of electric mobility that extends far beyond trucks and SUVs. So buckle in, because once we unpack everything from the factory shutdown to new patents to the mysterious e-bike reveal and the massive Georgia manufacturing project, the picture that emerges is far more powerful than a list of news updates. It's the blueprint of a company gearing up to take a giant leap. Let's start where the week began. Rivian's factory in Normal, Illinois going quiet. Not because something broke, not because demand is slowing, but because Rivian intentionally shut down the production line for 3 full weeks, something automakers don't do lightly. And here's the part most people miss. This wasn't an unexpected pause. Rivian's leadership has been telegraphing this moment for months, quietly preparing investors and customers for a major change. About a year ago, the company performed a smaller retooling, but this time the scope is different. This isn't a tune-up, this is a transformation. For months, Rivian has been carving out new space at the Normal campus, adding fresh facilities, updating older areas of the plant, and optimizing everything from stamping to battery pack assembly. The reason? Rivian is preparing the plant for the R2, not just to build it. Any factory can build a car. They are preparing to build it efficiently, at scale, and fast. And when you combine that with the timeline, it becomes even more exciting. Rivian expects R2 production to be less than a year away for consumers. That means the next major milestone we're waiting for isn't some vague reveal, it's the online configurator or a detailed feature drop. Rivian is lining up the runway for the R2's launch, and this shutdown is one of the clearest pieces of evidence yet that the plane is preparing for takeoff. What's fascinating is how Rivian has been reshaping the Normal plant while still running full production on the R1T, R1S, and commercial vans. That's like renovating your kitchen while still using it to host a dinner party every night. The shutdown gives them a clean window to recalibrate machines, phase in new tooling, reorganize high-volume areas, and get the facility in the best possible shape for what will likely be their most important vehicle launch to date. Because when the R2 arrives, the market will be waiting. This is the vehicle that must deliver high volume, strong margins, and wide appeal. And everything Rivian is doing right now suggests they know exactly how much is riding on it. But the R2 isn't the only new product brewing behind the scenes. Last year, Rivian announced a fully separate Micromobility spin-off called Also. And after the announcement, the company essentially went radio silent. A few vague posts, a few cryptic teasers, but nothing concrete enough for anyone to understand what they were building. Until now, because this week we finally got a date, October 22nd. That's when Also will reveal their first flagship product. In the teaser, a rider pedaling what looks like an invisible bike. Combine that with comments from Rivian's CEO about working on an e-bike, sprinkle in some playful hints from the spin-off social media team, and the answer becomes pretty obvious. The first product will be an e-bike. But this isn't just any electric bike. Rivian doesn't do bland, they don't do generic, and they've already teased scaled-down versions of their iconic stadium headlights being used in the project. That means this thing is going to look like a Rivian product. Clean lines, functional design, a little rugged, and probably a little futuristic. It might be the first e-bike that feels like part of an electric adventure ecosystem, rather than just a cool gadget. And here's where the creative vision starts to come alive. Imagine someone loading an R2 or R3 with camping gear, pulling out an Also e-bike equipped with Rivian's design language and heading down a forest trail.
It's not just a bike, it's Rivian extending their brand beyond vehicles into movement itself. And that's a very big deal. The micromobility space is wide open, fast-growing, and ripe for a premium adventure-focused brand to step in and redefine expectations. October 22nd might be the beginning of something Rivian intends to scale just as aggressively as their cars. Speaking of new products, let's talk patents. 3 of them, to be precise. Each patent opens a window into a corner of Rivian's future lineup, and together they paint a picture of a company expanding far beyond its original playbook. The first patent reveals something few expected. Rivian is collaborating with Dometic to create a Rivian-branded cooler. What's surprising is that this cooler already appears on Dometic's website, a lightweight, highly insulated ice box capable of keeping ice frozen for days. Thick, refrigeration-grade insulation, a labyrinth seal to reduce thermal loss, and a durable design make it perfect for campers and adventurers. That means Rivian isn't guessing at what their customer base wants. They know exactly who buys their vehicles: people who love gear, road trips, remote travel, and any product that makes the outdoors easier. A rugged cooler with Rivian branding fits perfectly into that ecosystem. Think of it like Apple accessories. The more Rivian releases high-quality add-ons, the more customers feel their vehicles are part of a complete lifestyle. Soon you might see Rivian owners running around with Rivian-branded chairs, coolers, lights, or tools. It's not just product expansion, it's culture building. The second patent is even more exciting for existing Rivian owners: a collapsible table designed to pair with the company's travel kitchen. People who bought the travel kitchen have been asking for expanded features and better usability, and Rivian clearly listened. This patent outlines a compact, modular table that supports the kitchen setup while providing space for meal prep. Based on the drawings, the table appears small enough to fit in multiple areas of the R1S and R1T, including the frunk, rear cargo area, and likely the gear tunnel. It could be the missing piece that completes the camp kitchen experience in a more mobile, flexible way. The idea of a collapsible sink opposite the table means Rivian may be getting closer to the original camp kitchen concept people fell in love with during the early R1 prototypes, only now with more portability and better storage. If Rivian releases this accessory, it will immediately become a customer favorite, especially for people who want to turn their vehicle into the perfect overlanding setup. Imagine parking at a campsite, pulling out the kitchen, snapping the collapsible table into place, unfolding the sink, and having a fully functional cooking station ready within minutes. That's the kind of experience that transforms a good road trip into a great one. The third patent drops us right back into vehicle design, specifically the R2. The filing confirms something Rivian fans have been speculating about: where Rivian intends to place the rear wiper on the R2. Instead of mounting it high on the glass, Rivian plans to tuck it below the rear window, hidden in a recessed area when not in use. But the twist is even more intriguing. Rivian is considering adding a heating element to that compartment. That means owners in snowy climates won't have to deal with a frozen rear wiper first thing in the morning. The heating element would melt snow or ice, while a small drainage slot would let water escape without refreezing. It's practical, thoughtful, and exactly the kind of innovative design Rivian is known for. It also opens questions about whether future R1 models could adopt a similar design, though doing so would require rethinking the split tailgate on the R1S. Still, the idea shows Rivian is thinking not just about aesthetics, but real-world functionality. Now, let's shift to the biggest piece of news: Rivian breaking ground on a massive new manufacturing plant in Social Circle, Georgia. This isn't just another factory. This is a multi-billion-dollar facility that will eventually employ 7,500 permanent workers and thousands more during construction. And this site is where the R2 and the R3 crossover will be built, vehicles critical to Rivian's global strategy. Production is expected to begin in 2028, and once both phases of the plant are complete, its capacity will reach a jaw-dropping 400,000 vehicles per year. To put that into perspective, that's the kind of volume that positions Rivian to compete on a global stage. That's the kind of volume that allows a company to enter new markets, reduce costs, and ship vehicles worldwide. Rivian CEO called the plant a cornerstone of the company's future, and he isn't exaggerating. If Rivian wants to become a true global leader, this plant is the launchpad. What's especially compelling is how Georgia leaders have responded. They see this project not just as an economic engine, but a chance to reshape their local communities. They're already talking about building trails, green spaces, and public amenities around the site, areas that align perfectly with Rivian's nature-focused identity. Imagine workers leaving the plant and immediately stepping into a network of wooded walking paths or biking trails. Imagine families visiting nearby parks built as part of the project's development. The plant becomes more than a factory, it becomes part of the community fabric. It echoes Rivian's mission: adventure, nature, exploration, and sustainability woven directly into the places where their vehicles are made. And when you connect all these updates, the factory retooling, the micromobility reveal, the